Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Now let's discuss a useful tool. This UE Cove torque wrench is a lifesaver for anyone who needs to tighten things up precisely. It's compact and works in both directions, making it easy to tackle jobs from delicate repairs to heavy-duty tasks. The wrench has a wide range of torque settings to handle most jobs you throw at it. The high contrast scale is easy to read, and it's pre-calibrated for accuracy, so you can trust that you're getting the job done right. Made with a durable chrome moly steel head and a comfortable aluminum handle, this wrench is built to last. The handle wipes clean easily and resists rust, so you can keep it looking good for years to come. Plus, the quick release button and 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism make working with this wrench a breeze. Overall, the UE Cove torque wrench is a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and easy-to-use tool for tightening things up. It's accurate, versatile, and built to last. What more could you ask for? Need a versatile work surface that can keep up with your projects? The Works Pegasus is more than just a garage workbench, it's a portable powerhouse. It pops open for quick setup, folds down compactly for easy storage, and is light enough to carry comfortably. This clever design seamlessly switches between a workbench and a sawhorse. From hefty lumber to heavy equipment, the Pegasus can handle it. Need even more space? Connect it to other work support tables like the Sidekick or clamping sawhorse. They're all compatible. With a 31-inch by 25-inch surface and a 32-inch working height, it's perfect for everything from staining and woodworking to painting and repairs. Made from durable ABS plastic with steel supports, this workbench is built to last, yet weighs only 30 pounds for easy transport. It also comes with two 24-inch quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs to secure oddly shaped items. Plus, a built-in measuring guide means no more hunting for a ruler. The Pegasus is a truly handy addition to any workspace. Tired of lugging around a heavy toolbox for every woodworking project? This 6-in-1 rafter square is a game changer. It combines a square, protractors, marking gauges, rulers, a drill gauge, and a wrench into one compact tool. About efficiency. This isn't your average triangle ruler. It's a true multitasker, replacing 6 separate tools. Imagine the time you'll save. Crafted from durable 4mm thick aluminum, this square is both lightweight and built to last. The laser-engraved markings won't fade, ensuring long-term accuracy. Standard carpentry squares can be limiting. That's why this tool features precise 1/16-inch graduations, making accurate plotting a breeze. Impress yourself with flawless woodworking. Plus, the included 2-in-1 Carpenter pencil with a removable grip offers comfortable writing and converts to a deep hole marker in seconds. Still unsure? No worries, you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee and top-notch customer support. It's a risk-free way to upgrade your woodworking arsenal. Looking for a truly sharp edge? Not all sharpening stones are the same, but this Whetstone kit uses premium materials for superior results. The unique blend of aluminum oxide and sharpening compounds delivers exceptional cutting performance. This kit includes a double-sided whetstone, a sturdy bamboo base, an angle guide, and clear instructions. Safety is key, so the stone sits securely in a rubber base inside the non-slip bamboo holder, keeping it firmly in place while you sharpen. The angle guide helps you maintain the perfect angle for consistent pressure and a razor-sharp edge. Unlike oil stones, this whetstone uses water, making sharpening clean and easy. Just add water, sharpen, and rinse. No messy oils required. This durable kit is built to last and can sharpen virtually any blade. It's the perfect tool for home cooks, professional chefs, or anyone who appreciates a sharp blade. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Need to make precise wood joints? This self-centering dowel jig is a woodworker's dream. Perfect for creating accurate butt, miter, and edge joints, it's ideal for building furniture like shelves, cabinets, desks, or even repairing doors and installing railings. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy with a hardened steel center block, this jig is seriously tough and designed for long-lasting use. The laser-engraved markings and hole sizes ensure precise positioning every time. A large steel clamping screw secures your workpiece like a vise, preventing damage and easily adjusting to different board thicknesses, including round stock. With 5 drill sizes, you can tackle various mortise and tenon joints. 4 drill guide holes along the top add to its versatility. The kit includes the silver dowel jig, an instruction manual, 6 hardened steel drill bushings, and an Allen wrench. It's a complete set for precise and durable woodworking projects. Looking for a powerful and versatile sander? This belt and disc sander packs a punch with its direct drive 3/4 HP motor and a speedy 34 to 50 RPM disc. It offers efficient and stable performance for a range of projects. The 4x36-inch 80 grit belt can be positioned horizontally or vertically, and the cast aluminum work table tilts from 0 to 45 degrees, making it incredibly adaptable for various woodworking tasks. The 8-inch disc features a sturdy steel cover to minimize vibration, and the adjustable cast aluminum work table, along with a handy miter gauge, ensures precise angle control. Designed with user experience in mind, this sander boasts separate work tables for both the disc and belt, plus 2 dust ports for a cleaner workspace when connected to a dust collector. The robust cast aluminum base with rubber feet minimizes vibrations for smoother operation. Unlike some sanders, this one eliminates the hassle of belts and gears. No more adjusting cog belt tension or replacing damaged belts. Simply swap the sanding belt or disc to tackle different materials, including metal sharpening. It's a convenient and powerful tool for any workshop. Taping drywall corners just got a whole lot easier. This corner applicator tool is a lifesaver. What's cool is the quick change wheel. Flip it for inside corners or use the flat side for other applications. Super versatile. The dual adjustable hand straps are genius whether you're right or left-handed. It's comfortable to use. Loading tape in mud is a breeze thanks to the single latch and hinged lid. No more fumbling around. It works perfectly with both FIBA Fuse fiber tape and regular paper tape. Holding a hefty 250 feet roll of FIBA Fuse or a massive 500 feet roll of paper tape. That means less time reloading and more time taping. And it's built to last. The tough polycarbonate body means no dents, dings, or bent parts, unlike some cheaper models. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient corner applicator, this one's a winner. Keeping your tools organized can be a real headache, but the CLC tool bag aims to solve that problem. With a whopping 50 pockets, this bag offers serious storage for all your gear. It's not just about quantity, though, it's about smart design. The large central compartment is perfect for stashing bulky power tools and larger accessories, while the separate outer compartments are ideal for smaller items you need quick access to. One of the cleverest features is the zippered side panels. These prevent your tools from spilling out when you're carrying the bag or storing it in your truck or garage. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in preventing frustration and lost tools. The vertical pockets are another smart touch. They keep your tools visible and easy to grab, so you're not wasting time searching for the right wrench or screwdriver. This durable tool bag is built to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable companion for any job. Building cabinets? These clamps are a lifesaver. They handle styles from 1.5 inch to 2 inches thick with a 4-inch opening. The jaws adjust from 2.95 to 5.3 inch and the alignment plate is 1.25 inches to 1.5 inch deep. They even include felt pads to protect your cabinet finishes. Built tough from steel with aluminum alignment plates, these clamps are designed for serious use. The cast steel body and side jaw ensure a tight, secure hold. The aluminum plates keep the cabinet face frames perfectly aligned. The built-in drill guide is a game changer. It locks into place, ensuring accurate pilot holes every time. Just remember to lock it before drilling. These clamps make aligning cabinet face frames quick and easy, with no damage. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, these clamps will help you get perfectly level and plumb cabinets thanks to the secure hold and handy drill guide. They're a must-have for any cabinet project. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Tired of knee pads that wear out quickly or constantly slip? These are built to last. Made to withstand tough work conditions, they're designed to save you money on replacements. Plus, the unique gel cushion and foam design perfectly conforms to the shape of your knee and shin, distributing pressure evenly for superior comfort. You can put them on and forget about them. The combination elastic, EVA, and buckle straps keep the pads securely in place without cutting off circulation. No more constant readjustments, these pads stay put. The thigh support keeps your knee centered, maintaining your full range of motion. You get excellent stability without sacrificing agility. Built with tough, abrasion-resistant 1680D fabric, a rugged double-injected shell with non-slip rubber, and shatter-resistant plastic, these pads are seriously durable. The heavily textured contact surfaces give you confidence and peace of mind on the job. Looking for a tool that can handle almost any nut or bolt? This universal socket is a lifesaver. It instantly adjusts to grip metric, wing nuts, broken or stripped nuts, eye bolts, and more. Just place it on the fastener, and it conforms to the shape. No more fumbling for the right size socket. It easily connects to drills, screwdrivers, and manual sockets. This truly universal socket tackles everything from screw eyes and hex nuts to lag screws, hooks, and square nuts. It fits standard 1/4 to 3/4 and metric 7mm to 19mm fasteners, making it incredibly versatile for lighter jobs. It's a great time saver. This makes it a perfect gift for dads, husbands, boyfriends, grandpas, or anyone who likes to tinker. With 54 strong spring-loaded steel pins, this socket automatically conforms to any shape. You can switch between different fasteners without changing sockets. This is a brilliant stocking stuffer, even for those who aren't DIY experts.